That's because you retarded.
Y'all need to tell him social distance.
Social distance.
Stop. 6 feet away. Look, even though he's my husband, he need to back up. Tell him to back up.
Hey, back up.
Hey guys, we at Walmart. Out and about this morning. About to get some groceries. Got our masks on, got my glasses on. We're ready. What's up, y'all? So we just trying to find some meat right now. We're looking at some hamburgers. You know I got daddy with me today, y'all. Bacon, Angus, cheddar beef patties. Those look good.
Ain't the cheese is gonna ooze out?
Yeah, but that's the good thing. You want that cheese to ooze out.
You wanna get them?
Yeah.
It's only 6 though.
Oh, I want to make some fried cheese, but this looks really good. What you looking at now? You know, daddy like that gourmet stuff. Shoot up and cheese. Get some hot dogs. Daddy made cookies on the grill. You still got chocolate left? Still got chocolate left?
Yeah, enough for one more bite.
Yeah, you get the kids some hot dog buns. Yogurt. We got eggs. Get eggs and stuff. You want to get orange juice. You know that why I can't drink no orange juice.
But you don't.
Cheesecake Factory. I know, it's like a pudding.
Huh?
A pudding. I'm gonna get one to try it. Huh?
They've been gone from the house for like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Not bringing daddy back to the store no more. Look at all this stuff he done got.
Oh, don't do that.
Ooh, not bringing you back to the
mommy.
store. Ooh, I'm about to be in this line forever. Yes. Not today. Can't buy everything today. You see what I'm saying? You trying to buy everything. Like, goodness. But we do need a fan though. Like, seriously.
That's because you retarded.
Y'all need to tell him social distance.
Social distance.
Stop. 6 feet away. Look, even though he's my husband, he need to back up. Tell him to back up.
Hey, back up. That's good.
Yeah. An hour later. We on our way home. We're gonna show y'all what we got in this grocery haul. Okay? It's like the boogeyman. Daddy don't have no glasses on. Just out here with the sun all in his eyes. Back in the house now, and we're gonna show you guys what we got. We got some good finds. We better have had some good finds for staying that live for so long. So let's see what we got, okay? And just to put some of the stuff away. We got some hot dogs, some beef franks. We only eat beef hot dogs, and these are the Nathan brands, y'all. Y'all know about them Nathans. So, Daddy got this ultimate meat pizza. That look good, okay? And then we got one. Hold this one, Kate. We got a pepperoni one. So we either do like pepperoni or supreme pizza, you know, one or the other. But this one is good too. We got some bacon, Angus bacon and aged cheddar beef patties. Those look good. These look bomb with that cheese coming out. Oh yeah, these will be bomb on the grill or the griddle we got in the house. Then, you know, Porter is still in her diapers. We had to get her some diapers. We got some whole milk. I got a big bag of chicken, some chicken drumsticks. So this is a nice little bag of chicken. And then the kids love this ranch chicken. You put the ranch sauce on the chicken when you fry it up. Oh my God, y'all, that's so freaking good. Some little breakfast things. We got our Belvita. This is with my coffee in the morning. Kids got some Pop-Tarts, some Fruit Loop Pop-Tarts. So these are good too, you guys. So with certain things that advertise, it may taste like something and it don't really taste like what it says it's going to taste like. These Pop-Tarts actually taste like Fruit Loops. So I was really surprised at that. We got some Buffalo Wild Wings sauce, some mango habanero sauce. So I didn't know if I was going to use this on the chicken or what, but I don't think I'm going to use that on the chicken. We'll just keep it just to have it. And some yogurt, some peach flavor yogurt, coffee creamer. So I actually got the sugar-free kind, you guys. Yes, I've been drinking this kind at work. My co-workers been getting it, and honestly it doesn't taste any different from the regular creamer, and I like, you know, regular creamer. So I'm gonna just try to slow it down a little bit with the regular creamer and just try to switch it up with the sugar-free, try to be a little bit healthier at the same time. So yes, okay. We got the sweet cream butter salted. Oh, this is not what I picked up. Daddy must have switched this out. You did the old switcheroo. And I got some cream cheese. This was a 2-pack of cream cheese. The kids love to bake, so we got them this no-bake cheesecake. You know, the everything already come in the kit. You just, you know, put the graham cracker crust together, mix the cream cheese mixed up, put some sugar in it, put it in the refrigerator, and then put whatever toppings you like on top. You know, we stay without eggs, so they had the big large carton of eggs. When we normally go to our local grocery store, we just normally get the smaller size. But we got the 18-count eggs. You know, the kids love some eggs. Some applesauce. Oh, Daddy picked up the cinnamon flavor today. Fancy. Okay, some cinnamon flavor. Yes, Porter love her applesauce. Some beef and bean burritos. This is an 8-pack. Them burritos be bomb, y'all. Some tater tots, crinkle cut French fries for all my crinkle cut lovers. Yeah. And I was debating if I was going to get that big thing of salmon, because it was $20 a slab, but I really should have had. But I just picked up this pink salmon. It's in little baggies already. So, you know, if you just feel like cooking one during the week, you could just take it out. It's already individually packed. And just put in the oven with some of that garlic butter that I've been showing you guys. Go ahead and use some of that garlic butter. Yeah, that's really good. And matter of fact, I think the kids ate all my garlic butter now that I got some more things to use it for. Some cinnamon toast sticks. That's a real quick, easy fix for in the morning. Just pop those in the microwave, or they'll put them in the oven. I had to get some more sugar. Yeah, I know we drink Kool-Aid. We haven't bought any in a while, but it's always good to just have some sugar in the house for whatever we need it for. And I picked these up, these bacon wrapped jalapenos. Oh my God, I've been wanting these so bad, y'all. And you see with the bacon wrap and the cream cheese inside. So I'm gonna let y'all know how these came out. And y'all know it's cookout season, so we bought some spare ribs. And this was for $13 for this big old pack of ribs. So this is the deal of the day. So let's just go ahead and call these spare ribs the deal of the day. Look at this big old slab. This will definitely feed a family of 6. All right. And this was something cute. I never seen this before. You know, a little snacky snack from the Cheesecake Factory. So it's a vanilla fudge duet. I guess it's, you know, pudding. But it's 2 of those that came in there. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Daddy got some Cheerios. I said, you went to Walmart. You know, you could have picked up any cereal today. I said, why you didn't get no other cereal? Because you know the kids is going to go through that cereal so fast. So this is the family size Cheerios Oat Crunch. But this cereal is actually bomb. And it's new. They picked up some French Toast Crunch. Oh, this look good too. This is some French Toast Crunch cereal bursting with syrup and cinnamon taste. Y'all know this is not going to last. This is what I'm talking about right here. Okay. And then I got some more chicken bouillon. This is already, you know, ground up in the bottle. This is so good on everything pretty much, y'all. So if you don't use this, go ahead and try it. Like, I'm going to put some on this chicken right here. And then I like to put it in my rice, my white rice, just to give it some flavor. Yes. Other little things right here. So we got some cheddar and sour cream potato chips. This was a big bag of potato chips for like $1.54. Hold this, Kate. Okay. So we got 2 bags. Swan wanted some barbecue potato chips. So I got a thing of barbecue potato chips. And then look at this, y'all. This was so freaking cute. Daddy picked this up, and it's by Tasty. And you guys know I've been needing my scissors back in the kitchen, like when I'm cutting my chicken up. And we needed some more knives. So this one came 3 in a pack. And I hope these are some good sharp knives. But, you know, not sharp enough while I'm in there cutting myself. And then I finally got a cutting board. Yay! I've been wanting a cutting board. And I know you guys, you know, have mentioned, you know, when I'm cutting up my vegetables. But yes, I finally got a cutting board. And then, you know, you can put your meats on here after you cook it, and, you know, just use it for different things. And then Daddy picked up these brioche buns. We're going to eat these with the hamburgers. Y'all know he got to be fancy, okay? His gourmet food. And then we got some orange juice. So Daddy picked up some orange juice. We got some lemonade. You know, it's about to be that summertime. That lemonade be just good. And speaking of gourmet, also, Daddy also picked up these pepperoni and cheese roll-ups. These are really good. You know, if you partying, appetizer, just want something to snack on. So we got 2 of those. Yeah, that's really good. And then I was going to move for some neck bones. So I picked up some neck bones. I just got to get some peppers to go with this. I already got some onions in the refrigerator. And we're going to hook these things up, y'all. Put some seasoning on them. And then, you know, Daddy's not really a big sweet tooth person, but he picked these up. Some 7-Up cream cheese cake bites. Oh, I didn't even know these had cream cheese in it, but yeah. Oh, he's about to be gone in like 2 seconds. And then we got some candy, some Reese's. So we got some Kit Kats. And then this one is a birthday cake, Kit Kat. Go ahead, Kit Kats. One of mommy favorites, a payday. And then these were some new flavor peanuts, M&Ms, the fudge brownie. So we got 2 of those. So I can't wait to get in here. Oh, and then show them what you got, Kate.
Bubba.
Yeah, she got some bubbles because they are about to go outside. Yes, go outside and play, get some fresh air. All right. So that was the haul for today. You know, something short and sweet because it's hot outside. Oh my God, this weather is just getting crazy. So I'm glad we went to the store early. We was in there for a while. We back home now. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away, and then we're gonna get something to eat and chill out. All right. So guys, we'll see you back for the next video. See you later.
Like the cool blue light. 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 Like the cool blue light.